Hey there, glad to see you back on the channel. Whether you're heading off-road or just running daily errands, your 4Runner should look great and work even better. In this video, we're checking out 30 awesome accessories made just for the 4Runner that make your drive smoother, cleaner, and a lot more fun. From smart organizers and protective gear to cool styling upgrades, these picks will help you get the most out of your SUV, whether you're on the road or off it. And the best part? You can find everything right on Amazon. So if something grabs your attention, all the links are waiting for you in the description. Let's jump into the video and check them out. Very first on the list is Center Console Organizer for Toyota 4Runner. Keep your Toyota 4Runner cabin neat and efficient with this custom-fit center console organizer. It helps you make the most of your storage space by dividing it into easy-to-access sections for keys, wallets, coins, and cables. The durable ABS material and non-slip rubber mats prevent noise and keep items from moving, even on rough roads. Installation is quick and tool-free, fitting perfectly into the console for a clean, factory look. It is a simple upgrade that makes your 4Runner interior more organized, functional, and ready for any drive. Next on the list is floor mats for Toyota 4Runner. Protect the interior of your Toyota 4Runner with these high-quality all-weather floor mats. Made from heavy-duty TPE material, they provide complete coverage to guard against mud, snow, and spill. The raised edges trap dirt and water, while the textured surface adds grip underfoot. A precise fit ensures the mats stay in place and do not interfere with the pedals. Easy to clean and built for durability, these mats are perfect for outdoor adventures or everyday driving, keeping your 4Runner interior clean and fresh mile after mile. Next accessory in our list is trunk mat for Toyota 4Runner. Give your cargo area lasting protection with this rugged trunk mat made for the Toyota 4Runner. Its waterproof surface shields against spills, dust, and debris, while the anti-slip texture keeps items steady during travel. The custom molded design covers the entire trunk area and maintains a clean, professional look. When it gets dirty, simply remove and rinse it off for an instant refresh. Whether you are hauling camping gear or weekly groceries, this trunk mat keeps your 4Runner cargo space looking clean and ready for adventure. The next must-have on our list is rain guards for Toyota 4Runner. Stay comfortable and protected in all weather with these rain guards for the Toyota 4Runner. They let you slightly open the windows for airflow without letting rain or snow inside. The aerodynamic shape reduces wind noise and enhances the exterior appearance. Made from strong, tinted acrylic, they resist fading and remain durable over time. Installation is quick and secure with automotive-grade adhesive, no drilling required. These rain guards add both function and style, keeping your cabin cool, quiet, and dry on every drive. Coming in next, we have cup holder insert door liners for Toyota 4Runner. Keep your Toyota 4Runner interior spotless with these cup holder and door pocket liners. Crafted from flexible, washable rubber, they trap crumbs, dust, and spills before they reach hard-to-clean areas. Each piece fits perfectly into the factory slots, staying in place while adding a neat and stylish accent. They reduce noise from small items and make cleaning your interior effortless. A small detail with a big impact, these liners help maintain a tidy, comfortable space in your 4Runner every time you hit the road. Next important accessory is retractable trunk cover for Toyota 4Runner. Add privacy and protection to your cargo area with this retractable trunk cover made for the Toyota 4Runner. It keeps your belongings safe from sunlight and prying eyes while giving the trunk a clean, organized look. The sturdy, spring-loaded design allows smooth extension and retraction whenever needed. Made from durable, tear-resistant material, it stands up to daily use and resists fading. Installation is quick and tool-free, fitting perfectly into the factory slots. Whether you are parking in the city or heading on a road trip, this retractable trunk cover keeps your items secure and out of sight. Next on the list is hood protector for Toyota 4Runner. Protect the front end of your Toyota 4Runner with this high-quality hood protector. Designed to block rocks, bugs, and road debris, it helps prevent paint chips and scratches during highway drives. The aerodynamic shape enhances airflow while maintaining a rugged off-road appearance. Made from durable acrylic material, it resists cracks and fading over time. Installation is simple with no drilling required, and it blends perfectly with your hood design. A must-have accessory that keeps your 4Runner looking sharp and protected wherever the road takes you. Next accessory in our list is LED grille lights for Toyota 4Runner. Give your Toyota 4Runner a bold, aggressive look with these LED grille lights. They create a striking visual effect that stands out both day and night while improving front-end visibility. Built with waterproof, long-lasting LEDs, they are made to handle rain, dust, and rough conditions. The simple plug-and-play setup connects directly to your factory wiring for a clean installation. These lights not only enhance your 4Runner appearance, but also add extra safety during evening drives and off-road adventures. The next must-have on our list is console storage drawer for Toyota 4Runner. Maximize your storage space with this console storage drawer designed specifically for the Toyota 4Runner. It slides smoothly under your center console, offering a hidden yet convenient compartment for small items like wallets, cables, or documents. The sturdy ABS construction ensures durability, while the textured finish keeps it looking factory fresh. Installation is quick, with no drilling required, and it fits securely without rattling. A clever way to keep your cabin organized, this drawer turns unused space into practical storage for your everyday needs. Coming in next, we have center console armrest cover for Toyota 4Runner. Protect your center console from scratches and wear with this armrest cover made for the Toyota 4Runner. It adds a layer of comfort and durability while keeping your original console surface in perfect condition. Crafted from soft leather or neoprene, it feels great to rest your arm on during long drives. The elastic edges ensure a snug, secure fit without slipping. Easy to clean and stylish in design, this cover keeps your 4Runner interior looking clean, comfortable, and premium every day. Next add-on in our list is Windshield Sunshade for Toyota 4Runner. Keep your Toyota 4Runner cool and protected from the sun with this custom-fit Windshield Sunshade. It blocks harmful UV rays that can fade your dashboard and overheat your cabin during long sunny days. The reflective design helps maintain a comfortable interior temperature while reducing the load on your air conditioning. Easy to unfold, set in place, and store when not in use, this sunshade is practical for daily use. It fits perfectly across the windshield without gaps, offering complete coverage and long-lasting protection for your 4Runner interior. Next on the list is door sill protector for Toyota 4Runner. Shield your door sills from scratches and scuffs with this durable door sill protector made for the Toyota 4Runner. Every time you step in or out, these protectors guard against dirt and shoe marks that can damage your paint. Made from strong, impact-resistant material, they provide reliable coverage while adding a touch of style to your interior. The precise fit ensures easy installation with strong adhesive backing, no drilling required. A simple but effective way to keep your 4Runner looking clean, sharp, and well cared for over the years. Next accessory in our list is dashboard cover mat for Toyota 4Runner. Protect your dashboard and improve cabin comfort with this custom dashboard cover mat for the Toyota 4Runner. It reduces glare, blocks UV rays, and prevents cracks or fading caused by sun exposure. Made from soft, heat-resistant fabric, it blends seamlessly with the interior while adding a premium feel. The tailored fit follows every contour of your dashboard and stays firmly in place without slipping. Installation takes just a minute, and the result is a cooler, cleaner, and more comfortable cabin experience every time you drive. The next must-have on our list is gear shift console side tray for Toyota 4Runner. Add extra storage and convenience with this gear shift console side tray for your Toyota 4Runner. It fits snugly beside the center console, creating space for phones, wallets, or keys within easy reach. Made from durable ABS plastic with a textured finish, it matches the factory interior and prevents items from sliding around. Installation is quick with no tools required, and it can be removed easily for cleaning. A smart way to stay organized while keeping your driving essentials close at hand. Coming in next, we have side steps running boards for Toyota 4Runner. Upgrade both accessibility and style with these side steps running boards for the Toyota 4Runner. They make it easier to enter and exit your SUV while adding a rugged, off-road look. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum or steel, they support plenty of weight and stand up to mud, rain, and road debris. The textured step surface provides excellent grip for safe footing in any weather. Installation is simple with bolt-on mounting brackets, no drilling needed. A practical and stylish addition that completes your 4Runner's tough, adventure-ready design. Next add-on in our list is trailer hitch for Toyota 4Runner. Take your Toyota 4Runner's capability to the next level with a durable trailer hitch. Perfect for towing campers, bikes, or small trailers, this heavy-duty hitch is built for strength and reliability. It fits directly into the factory mounting points, ensuring a secure connection without drilling or cutting. The corrosion-resistant finish keeps it looking sharp even after exposure to tough weather and road conditions. Whether you are heading out on a family trip or hauling gear for an outdoor adventure, this trailer hitch gives your 4Runner the utility and versatility it deserves. Next on the list is leather seat covers for Toyota 4Runner. Enhance comfort and luxury inside your Toyota 4Runner with premium leather seat covers. Designed for a perfect fit, these covers protect your original seats from spills, wear, and UV damage while giving the interior a refined, upscale appearance. The breathable leather surface stays cool in summer and warm in winter, adding year-round comfort. Easy to install and maintain, they feature precision stitching and anti-slip backing to keep them securely in place. These seat covers not only protect your investment, but also elevate your driving experience every time you get behind the wheel. Coming in next, we have dash behind screen storage box for Toyota 4Runner. Keep your essentials organized and out of sight with this clever dash behind screen storage box for your Toyota 4Runner. Designed to fit seamlessly behind the infotainment display, it offers a hidden compartment for sunglasses, keys, or small accessories. The high-quality construction and textured surface match the interior finish perfectly, maintaining a clean OEM look. Installation is quick and tool-free, allowing you to add extra storage space in minutes. A smart, discreet solution that helps keep your cabin clutter-free while giving you easy access to everyday items. Next accessory in our list is envelope cargo net for Toyota 4Runner. Keep your gear neatly secured in the trunk with this envelope cargo net for your Toyota 4Runner. It stretches across the rear cargo area to hold groceries, sports gear, or travel essentials in place, preventing them from sliding during the drive. Made from durable, elastic mesh, it is built to last and installs easily with factory-style hooks. The flexible design expands to fit different items while staying snug and stable. A simple but incredibly useful accessory that adds convenience and organization to every trip. The next must-have on our list is rear window MOLLE panel system for Toyota 4Runner. Maximize your cargo space and organization with this rear window MOLLE panel system for your Toyota 4Runner. Perfect for overlanders and adventurers, this panel lets you mount tools, recovery gear, or storage pouches neatly along the rear side windows. Built from high-strength steel or aluminum, it is designed to handle heavy loads while maintaining a low-profile look. Installation is straightforward, using factory mounting points for a secure fit. It keeps your gear easily accessible and your cabin free from clutter, making it one of the smartest upgrades for outdoor-ready 4Runner owners. Next add-on in our list is hood lift struts for Toyota 4Runner. Upgrade your Toyota 4Runner with these hood lift struts for easier and safer access under the hood. Say goodbye to holding the hood manually or using a prop rod. These gas-powered struts smoothly lift and hold the hood open with minimal effort, giving you hands-free convenience whenever you are checking fluids or working on the engine. Built from high-strength materials with corrosion-resistant coatings, they are made to last through years of use. Installation is quick and straightforward, using existing mounting points without any drilling required. A small upgrade that makes a big difference every time you pop the hood. Next on the list is seat gap filler for Toyota 4Runner. Keep your Toyota 4Runner interior clean and organized with this practical seat gap filler. Designed to fit snugly between the seats and center console, it prevents keys, coins, phones, and other small items from falling into hard-to-reach spaces. Made from soft but durable material, it blends naturally with your car interior and does not interfere with seat movement. Easy to install and remove, it is an affordable fix to one of the most annoying problems for drivers. This simple accessory helps maintain a tidy cabin and adds a touch of everyday convenience to your driving experience. Next accessory in our list is inner door handle cover trim for Toyota 4Runner. Add a sleek touch of style to your Toyota 4Runner interior with these inner door handle cover trims. Crafted with precision for a perfect fit, they instantly elevate the cabin look with a refined metallic or carbon fiber finish. Beyond appearance, these trims also help protect the handle area from scratches and wear caused by daily use. Installation takes only minutes using strong adhesive backing with no tools required. This simple yet effective accessory enhances your vehicle's aesthetics while maintaining a factory-like fit and finish that truly complements your 4Runner. The next must-have on our list is trunk organizer for Toyota 4Runner. Stay clutter-free and travel smart with this foldable trunk organizer for your Toyota 4Runner. Designed to fit perfectly in the rear cargo area, it keeps groceries, tools, and gear neatly arranged while preventing items from rolling around during drives. With multiple compartments, reinforced handles, and durable waterproof fabric, it is built for everyday utility. The collapsible design allows you to fold it flat when not in use, saving space. Whether you are running errands or heading on a road trip, this trunk organizer makes your 4Runner's cargo area far more practical and efficient. Coming in next, we have Armrest hidden storage box for Toyota 4Runner. Maximize your storage with this clever Armrest hidden storage box made specifically for the Toyota 4Runner. It fits neatly inside your center console armrest, creating an extra layer of organization for small valuables like keys, cards, or cash. The high-quality ABS construction ensures durability, while the textured finish matches the original interior look. Installation is simple, just drop it in place and enjoy better organization instantly. It is a discreet and functional way to keep your essentials secure, easily accessible, and out of sight, adding real convenience to your daily drives. Next add-on in our list is car backseat organizer for Toyota 4Runner. Keep your Toyota 4Runner interior neat and functional with this multi-pocket backseat organizer. It straps easily to the back of the front seats, offering space for tablets, snacks, bottles, tissues, and more. Perfect for family trips or long drives, it keeps everything accessible for passengers without cluttering the cabin. The waterproof and easy-to-clean material ensures lasting durability, while the adjustable straps provide a snug, non-slip fit. A simple but incredibly practical upgrade that turns your 4Runner's rear seats into a clean, well-organized travel space for everyone. Next on the list is wireless charger for Toyota 4Runner. Charge your devices effortlessly with this wireless charger designed for the Toyota 4Runner. It fits seamlessly into the center console, allowing you to charge your phone just by placing it on the pad, no cables required. Equipped with fast charging capability and smart safety protection, it prevents overheating and overcharging while delivering reliable performance. The non-slip surface keeps your device secure even on rough roads, and the subtle LED indicator confirms charging status at a glance. A sleek, modern upgrade that brings everyday convenience to your 4Runner's interior. Coming in next, we have front and rear dash cam for Toyota 4Runner. Protect your journeys and capture every detail with this front and rear dash cam system for your Toyota 4Runner. Featuring high-resolution video and wide-angle lenses, it records both the road ahead and behind you for complete coverage. The system automatically saves footage in case of sudden impacts, offering valuable evidence during incidents or parking bumps. With loop recording, night vision, and easy installation using the existing power outlet, it is built for reliability and peace of mind. This dash cam setup ensures that your adventures are safe, secure, and always documented. The next must-have on our list is throttle response controller for Toyota 4Runner. Unleash your Toyota 4Runner's true potential with this throttle response controller. Designed to eliminate delay between pressing the accelerator and engine response, it provides a sharper, more exciting driving feel. With multiple adjustable modes, you can switch between comfort, sport, or performance settings instantly to match your driving style. Installation is quick, plug and play, and does not require any modifications to the vehicle. It is an easy upgrade that transforms how your 4Runner reacts to every touch of the pedal, adding real responsiveness and fun to your drive. Last on the list is mud flap splash guards for Toyota 4Runner. Keep your Toyota 4Runner clean and protected with these heavy-duty mud flap splash guards. Designed for a perfect fit, they block dirt, rocks, and road debris from damaging your paint and underbody. Made from durable, flexible material, they withstand harsh weather and off-road conditions while maintaining a factory-style look. The simple bolt-on design uses existing holes for easy installation without drilling. A practical accessory that not only keeps your 4Runner cleaner, but also adds a rugged finishing touch to its tough, adventure-ready appearance. These were 30 different accessories you can add to your Toyota 4Runner. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.